Or, oh, baka matamaan yung bata. Mapatay mo talaga yan. Oh, the slide. Eh, small lang. Oh, this one, the swing. Okay na. Tingin nyo. Yeah. Another page naman.
There's a wall.
Oh, yung tanggalit.
There's a gun. What is this one?
Oh, draw the ano daw. The non-living things in your birthday.
Cake.
Oh, go draw it.
I cannot
No,
draw.
just draw lang.
Draw cake?
Yeah, anything.
There's always sprinkles here. I want this sprinkle cake here.
That's all.
Yeah.
Yung Christmas.
Ano the
Toy.
toy?
Any toy you want.
I want to draw a box.
Okay.
Because in Christmas in America you always get presents. Ganyan.
You tell it to your teacher that what's the top. Here, New Year.
Fireworks.
No, you receive.
What is that thing?
What you get in the New Year? Toy again. Always
Yeah.
toy, oh.
Huh?
Bakit? Just put toy.
New Year
It's
is
an
my
unliving
birthday.
thing. Hmm?
Remember.
Yeah, New Year's almost on your birthday. Draw na dali.
I think fireworks.
No, sige, paputukan ka ng fireworks. Toy, what do you want toy?
You know what? Barbie.
Go.
Barbie. Ano ba ko? What's the Barbie? Bakit ko? Tanging yung drawing ko. Ugly.
In the summer. Draw na.
I always iPad in summer. What I'm doing?
Clothes.
Clothes
Yeah.
because it's hot.
Yeah.
My clothes is always look like this. Like this. My damit is always look like
Ang haba naman ang damit mo. Draw na, dali.
damit. This is flying. I always have characters, so I'm going to put characters. I want to put Kuromi because my stuff is Kuromi, my favorite.
Gawin na.
Done.
What's this niya again?
Birthday cake,
This one.
present, Barbie,
This one.
clothes.
Oh, done. And then this one.
You read it.
You read it.
So haba.
Dali na. Read the words with your teacher. Write them in the paper column. Ay, proper column. Write the living things here. No, we read here first. Is animal a living thing or no?
It's a living thing.
You write it there in the number 1.
Ano no to?
You copy it lang, dali. No, here. Living things.
This is one.
You copy the animals. Here, the animal.
Is the P.
And N.
Wala.
Go na. Dali, you can do it.
Circle them yan. It's not
Yeah,
a bit
like
like
that.
here.
I.
I.
M.
Ed.
A. Another A. L.
Ano pala yan? I thought it's I. Wait.
Is bag a living thing or not?
It's living thing.
Why not? It's not living thing.
What is a
You
bug?
write it in here.
What?
The number 1. Here. The bag. Your bag.